Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. As we have seen that the price of gold is trying to move upside and form a swing at this particular level with a low of around $1724.63. Okay, and one more important thing that you have to understand that it is trying to move upside. As we can see, a trend towards an upside is there and it is moving in the ascending order further high. Okay, but if this level sustain, a probability will be very high that a cup pattern is forming and a probability of moving further high is on a higher side. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, or if it goes below a particular level of around, you can say 1745, then chances are high that it can touch its bottom and a probability of moving further down will be. One important that you have to understand that most of the news, whatever you are looking in the chart, is on the real thing. Okay, so the data is helping to create a chart. Okay, so if you listen some news or something that you think that it can increase or decrease the price of gold or any other commodities, so what you have to rely on, you can rely on this particular data. The data will not lie. Okay, but the news and other things you are listening here and there, they can be manipulated. Okay, so you have to apply your brain, then only you take your decision accordingly. Before we move forward and explain you if the price or any doubt regarding gold, silver or any other commodities, forex or stock, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1764.26. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1767.36. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, then chances are very high that we can see it can go towards a level of around $1773.56. And if the price sustain above that particular level, then chances are very high that we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $1789. Okay, keep this in mind. Once the price goes above this particular level of 1773, it can touch a level of $1789, which is a weak resistance. So chances are very high we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $1793 and $1794. This 1794 is again a weak resistance. This is also, so probability will be very high. It can move further upside and a probability of touching a level of 1807 is on a higher side. So once the price move up this level, a probability is there it can cross this particular level and can touch a level of $1804. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. But if the price goes above that particular level, so that this is the range where the price can move. If sustain above a level of $1804, then it can go towards a level of 1815 and then further upside. But as you can see that the gold price is quite volatile, but in this particular zone it is moving. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can come down again to a level of around $1757.05 to a level of around $1752.92. And if that level goes further down, then a probability of touching its low around a level of $1739.26 is there, and which is a weak support. So chances of moving further low is there. It can touch a level of 1732. And if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch its strong support of 1730 to a level of $1727. And once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1723 to a level of 1715. So you have to keep this in mind. Once the price fall below a level of 1723, a probability of touching 1713 will be there and to a level of $1706. And if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 1680, and from there we can see it can go further down. If fall below a level of 1715, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1701 to a level of 1682. So you have to keep this in mind that once the price fall below 1700, a probability of touching 1688 will be there and to a level of 1684 to a level of $1682. And from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1675 also, and from there we can see it can move further. The price didn't sustain that particular level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.